Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss why data science is important and its roadmap to become a data scientist. Did you know that companies like Netflix, Google, Amazon make billions of dollars just using data science? But what exactly is data science? How can you learn it? Let's just find out in 1 minute. Why data science? Every day we generate billions of pieces of data from online shopping to social medias to banking and healthcare. But raw data alone have no value. Data science helps us to collect, clean, analyze, and visualize this data and make smarter decisions. It is used to recommend movies on Netflix, detect our frauds, predict customer behaviors, and improve our healthcare. And you can also build an AI application like ChatGPT using that. So that's why data science is one of the most in demand careers today. Let's just go with the roadmap of data scientists, how to become a data scientist. First, you have to learn Python programming. Then you have to learn the external libraries it provides that are NumPys and Pandas. Learn the data visualizations using Matplotlib and Seaborn. Study statistics and probability. Learn SQL. Perform EDA, that is exploratory data analysis. Learn machine learning algorithms. Then you can move forward to building real world projects. Learn Power BI and Tableau. Then you can, at the end, you can create your portfolio, upload your projects to GitHub, and apply for internships and jobs. At last, remember, you don't need to learn everything on one day. Stay consistent, build projects, and keep on practicing. Follow for more data science tips, projects, and ideas, and interview preparations. This is SkyStates, where learning meets opportunity. See you in the next video. Bye bye.